So, what is a North York chiropractor? So one of the biggest questions asked of chiropractors, what do you do? And here at any of North York chiropractors, you will find that they do a lot. North York chiropractors diagnose and treat patients whose health problems are associated with the body's muscular, nervous, and skeletal systems, especially the spine. North York chiropractors believe that interference with these systems impairs the body's normal functions and lowers its resistance to disease. They recognize that many factors affect health, including exercise, diet, rest, environment, and heredity. As well, they provide natural, drugless, non-surgical health treatments and rely on the body's inherent recuperative abilities. North York chiropractors perform many services that help you maintain a healthy body and a lifestyle. One of the most common services North York chiropractors is relieving back pain and relieving neck pain. Let's look at each of these separately to see how they differ and how each service can bring relief. Relieving back or spine pain. Spine or back pain can be caused from a number of diseases and conditions, including, but not limited to, cancer, arthritis, pregnancy, whiplash, scoliosis, thoracic outlet syndrome, infections, trauma, autoimmune diseases, gallbladder disease, kidney infections, disc hernias, fibromyalgia, stenosis, congenital acquired birth defects. So you can see there are many. Because back pain is usually due to circumstances that affect the spine, your chiropractor will conduct a number of checks across your spine to diagnose the cause, as you can see here. He or she will check the cervical spine starting from the base of your skull. Next, the lumbar spine is checked to identify vertebral misalignments that may be causing lower back pain. If you're experiencing pain in the middle of your back, your chiropractor will check the 12 vertebrae that comprise the thoracic spine. Close attention is paid to areas with limited joint mobility, muscle spasms, and slipped or herniated discs. This is done manually without invasive instruments. Your chiropractor will then examine your walk and posture to identify possible spinal subluxations. Once he or she has determined where the problem lies, treatment begins. You will get the right North York treatment for your lower back pain. Spinal manipulation and manual manipulation. Spinal manipulation and spinal adjustment are two terms often used interchangeably in the chiropractic field. A technique used on the joints and muscles in the neck or back, spinal manipulation can help treat back pain, neck pain, and many pains. A spinal manipulation starts with a chiropractic consultation. From this examination, your chiropractor will be able to determine where your pain is stemming from and will know how best to treat it. The goal of spinal manipulation is to get ill-functioning joints back in working order and to increase the flexibility of your spine. To accomplish this, your chiropractor will use a manual technique best described as a thrust, passing the hands into a specific area of your spine joints, causing them to surface or realign and return to full function. North York chiropractors can perform a high-velocity, short lever arm thrust that is applied to abnormal vertebrae with the goal of improving functionality, reducing nerve irritability, and restoring range of motion in the back. Manual manipulation is also known as chiropractic adjustment. Many published guidelines recommend chiropractic manipulation to be included in the treatment plan in the care of lower back pain. And of course we have mobilization. Chiropractic mobilization refers to low velocity manipulation, movement and stretching of the muscles and joints with the goal of increasing the range of motion within those areas. You can see how easy it is here, and in fact the lady is working on her laptop as the chiropractor works on her mobilization. Exercises. North York chiropractors will also recommend exercises to help relieve back pain and strengthen the back. Here you can see a stretching back pain here, and the same here, only done in two different positions. Is North York chiropractors treatment safe? Simply put, yes, or of course it is. Chiropractic care has been subject to strict medical scrutiny but has always come up as a beneficial treatment of back pain and associated conditions. However, every patient is different, and there are a few guidelines to keep in mind before receiving spinal manipulation. So if you want to get the right chiropractic treatment for your spinal discomfort, consider a North York chiropractor for your next visit. Each North York chiropractor has been trained to use the proper chiropractic tools for spinal pain. This video is only a trial video for showing how North York chiropractors can get more patients by not only having a website, but a simple yet concentrated site.